Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Zoom on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're trying to install the Zoom application for video chats and communication, I'm going to show you guys how to download it, and it should be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up the search icon down in the taskbar, type in Microsoft Store. Best results should come back with Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. In the search apps field up at the top, go type in Zoom. One of the best results should say Zoom Cloud Meetings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the install button. And there you go, guys. It should say installed once it's done. And if you close out of here and you open up the search menu, Zoom should be installed on our computer. You saw it just came up in our search results. Just clicked on it. And now at this point, just would go ahead and sign in or join a meeting. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.